I'm Don Weiss from Weiss Family Farms, host farm for the lysimeters here in Pepin County, and one of the co-chairs of the Farmers for Health watershed group.
I'm Mike Travis, University Extension Ag and Natural Resources educator here in Pepin County and advisor for the watershed group. The Farmers for Health watershed group was established a couple of years ago now with DADCAP funding. The group was centered around this area with known groundwater issues, and really the desire of the group is to learn practices, test practices, and figure out how we can improve the groundwater quality here.
And my interest in this is, like Mike said, we're trying to figure out how we can improve groundwater quality. And we've had some opposition on large-scale dairy farms, and manure is the problem. And I've always questioned that, and I'm hoping with this facility here we can determine, is that the problem? Are the cover crops the answer? What is the answer? Hopefully within the next 5 to 7 years we're going to learn something and be able to help the rest of the country or the rest of the state with groundwater quality.
Within the group, we've got large farmers and small farmers. We've got conventional farmers. We've got organic farmers. So it's we come together with a lot of different, resources, understandings, different tools in our toolboxes. And this group is I'm excited of what we can learn in this project in particular, where we can actually sample the waters that's coming through the soil profile and correlate it to what's happening a few feet above the sampler on the surface is going to be really helpful for us.
I'd like to just say that our dairy farm here, Weiss Family Farms, I'm the 5th generation. I have 2 sons that work with me. They are the 6th generation, and from them 2 sons I have 4 grandsons that are the 7th generation that could possibly take over this farm. And I'm here because I want my grandsons, to be able to drink the water someday and without health issues. So that's a big reason why I'm here.